Hooked up, hooked up. Oh, fucker. That was a good one, too. Yeah, I'm feeling this fucking. This hook's weak. I like these water hooks. Stay down, baby. Stay down. Stay on. Stay on. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Whew. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, yeah. That's gonna definitely help us here. Look at that. Kistler helium. The brow would work sweet. Oh yeah, dude, you choked it. You're a beast. Dude, you're biggin'. Holy shit, dude. Oh, look at that. That's a nice fish, bro. That's a nice fish. Alright, let's get you measured in the water, okay? At least 17. Oh, no. You gotta stay here. We need you for it. Oh, Jesus, that's a slab. No, stay. I just don't trust you. Jesus, that's 17. That's a cold, bro. Holy shit, 17 and a quarter. Alright. Hopefully I'm recording this thing. Let's see. Alright, buddy. That's a good fish. Alright. Thank you, sir. See ya. Come on. I got one. Oh yeah. Stay on, fucker. Stay on. Ah. Got one. Yeah. Get back over here. Come over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Yeah, it'll work. Alright, let's get you measured, get you. I think you'll call me out too. Oh yeah, get rid of my 12. Nope. Come on, sit. Toe down. Come on, you get longer than that. 14. Get back here. Come back. Come on. All right, buddy. All right, another one. See ya. smallmouth. Cute little smallie. Stuck that right in the top. Yeah, you're not gonna help me. See you, buddy. Alright, cute little smallmouth. There we go. There we go. Oh, stay down, fucker. Stay down. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Good. Oh. Oh, he got that one good. All right. That's going to help me. Yeah, that's gonna help me. Yeah, it's definitely gonna help me. That's definitely gonna help me. Oops, sorry. Sorry, dude. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good fish. Stay on the board. Oh, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Come on, put your tail down. Seriously, bro. Push your tail down. Take that. Alright, it's a good looking fish there. 14 and a half. Alright, buddy. We'll see ya.